It's so good to take this time with you, so good to ask you all what's new. It's just so good to say, I like you just the way you are. Hello there. Welcome to Conversations with Gregory. This is my new show coming from the wandering wind that will hopefully be inspiring and uplifting to so many of you that either deal with emotional issues or just want to learn how to express your emotions in a positive way and treat each other kindly, because this is what we do here. We are first and foremost understanding other people so that we can seek to be understood by them as well. We love sharing our emotions and expressing our feelings in positive and creative ways. And that is why I love making these shows for you. I talk about what it's like to deal with loss and with negative emotions and with stressful and even sometimes sad situations and how to handle them in a positive manner. I also talk about the wonderful aspect of life that is being unique in yourself. There's nobody else exactly like you, and that is a wonderful thing. You should be proud of who you are, no matter who you are, because you're special. I believe that, and I believe you should too. We take the time here at Conversations with Gregory to explore the deeper issues and wonders of our world in such a way that is so unique and also so just beautiful that you can't help but smile at the end of an episode. This will be an episodic series, so I will be making several videos on several different topics. Most of them will run about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less, maybe sometimes a little bit more, but I will always make sure to stay on point. But lastly, I will always thank you guys so very much for watching and make sure that you know you are loved by me and by so many others around you, and that is a beautiful thing. I like you just the way you are, and I hope that one day, through watching my programs and just learning with me about the wonders of life, you might come to like yourself as well. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for subscribing. Have a great day, and I will see you again later.